Hello folks, this is 2025 May June paper 1-2 and the question number is 14. It is considered the chapter forces in pressure, and the subtopic that it deals with is upthrust. It is considered upthrust. So it says a wooden block is held stationary in a container of water using a string. So wooden block here, wooden block. Uh, this is water here, water here, water here, and we have the string here, string. A string that is attached to both the wooden block and the bottom of the container. So it is attached here and it is attached here. The wooden block has mass m and volume v. Okay, the water has density rho. The acceleration of free fall is g. All data given. What is the magnitude of the force acting on the block due to the tension in the string? So we have to find the let us say tension force in the string. So what happens here is wood is lighter than water. Wood is lighter than water because its density is around 0.8, 0.85, 0.84, like that. Some heavier types of wood might have higher densities, but till now that the wood I have seen, they have always been less dense than water. So that's water. So that means its upthrust force will be very high. Since something is less dense, upthrust will be very high. It is because the force of upthrust is equal to rho of liquid into volume of that solid into z. So when the density of that solid is less, rho of liquid will be higher, and so upthrust will be higher. Okay. Now what we have here is the upthrust force will be acting upward. So this is F upthrust. F upthrust. The weight will be downward, which is a weight or force of gravity, and the tension force also is acting it in downward direction. And the body is at rest. The body is at rest. So that means what we have now is we should have total upward force should be equal to total downward force. So Fu should be equal to W plus T, W plus T. And this Fu is equal to rho of liquid, then volume of that volume of that solid thing. I use Vs here, so I have to use V here because of this given thing. Is equal to mass of that solid into Z plus T, and this will give me T is equal to rho ZV minus M into Z. Oh, the answer is there. The answer is there. So it is not such a difficult task. The answer is available in choice numbers D. So D is the correct answer.